What's up guys, George from Adventure GT, and today I have a new video kind of in a different style, something I already did, but I'm gonna go through it and explain and show you what I did. So as you guys probably could tell by the thumbnail, I had an issue with one of my fog lights. It broke, and here is the fog light. As you can see, it also is burnt inside, so at one point the original bulb must have came loose and burnt the heck out of it. But I have LEDs now. If you haven't seen that, I will link that at the end of the video. I already did it, and I ordered the piece. I came in within a few days, and I put it in before it started to rain. Literally the day I got it. I came home from work, started to sprinkle, like, oh heck no. Put it in, and bam, saved myself and another LED. But I figured, you know, it was kind of rushed and kind of hurry, so I'm gonna go backtrack a little bit, and I'm going to explain to you how I did it and what to do in case you guys have to switch out your fog light for any reason. I figured, why not? Let's take advantage of this and film one of these. Okay, so if you've seen some of my previous videos when it comes to maybe doing the fog lights or the DRLs, we know that we have to get in here. Just like normal, grab a Phillips head screw, and you want to pop these out. Unscrew it, pop it out, unscrew it, pop it out, and it'll give us access to the two screws we got to get to. So let me pop those out for you. Okay, so you can kind of see in here. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. Right there. You're going to need a T25 to remove that top bolt to your right, and to the bottom left there's another T25. Literally that's the only thing holding this fog light in. So just like normal, you're going to reach in there and you're going to undo your light, so twist would be counterclockwise, pull the light out, and then you're able to get to those screws, unscrew those and pull out the whole unit. Then you're able to take it out. It will just simply slide back, and then you'll be able to switch them out. It's very easy, guys, very simple. I did this in no time. The only thing you're really going to need is just that T25, and like I said, I would have done it the day of, but I was kind of in a hurry and wanted to beat the rain. In case you wanted to switch yours out, or maybe you had the same problem, my best guess is that I got hit by a piece of gravel, a rock or something. I must have flung up. Either that or the most aggressive insect of my life. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. Like I said, short, sweet, and to the point. I just wanted to, if I couldn't show you what I did, at least share with you what I did. You know, maybe you guys are in the same boat. Maybe a rock got you too. Who knows? Maybe a dinosaur hit you. You know, you never know what could have happened. Maybe in the middle of the night, somebody just went up and like, hey, you know, I don't like this guy. Let's smack his one fog light. You never know, man. But anyways, that's all I had. That's it. I will link my fog light video at the end, and I hope you guys found this useful. Okay. Well, that's it. I'm out. See you next time.